Oh, way to go. Bahala na. Fast to begin down on the inside is solar power. So it's you also rushing up the surgeon. Military might alongside Bangge, Golden Fortune, Red Lotus, Money Bank down on the inside. Late Bloomer, Peace and Love and Flying Hope is the early trainer. So it's you by half a line followed by Bahala na. It's on the outside. Entering the far turn, so it's you by 3/4 of a length, followed by Bahala na. Solar Power racing in third by some 6 lengths. Then comes Military Might, Red Lotus, Golden Fortune, the Surgeon. As they swing towards the last 450, Bahala na. Followed by So It's You down on the inside as they raise the last 200. Bahala na while the rider still with tight range, and this one is FM Raquel Jr. by some 4 lengths now. So It's You entering the finish line. Better go down and collect. Bahala na. Second, So It's You, Military Might, Red Lotus. Number 8, Bangge. Golden Fortune for your Super Sais.